kayak. Look at the handles. This one seems pretty good. None of the vital stitching is coming undone and none of the fabric is becoming braided. So the back one, vital stitching is all good. And there's a little bit of damage, so you probably want to get that replaced as it will flare look. Then you want to check the knee secure the joints, so that make sure they're not loose, make sure they're secure so your knees will be able to stay in place. You want to check the foot holes, make sure they're in and secure, make sure they won't move around because it can cause you to slide and get trapped. Secondly, when you're white water after, you want this foam on, as if you do go under a rock or a tree, it will keep your kayak up, it will not collapse on you, trapping your legs and causing you to drown. Then make sure these handles are secure, make sure the screws aren't coming undone, so that if you do go under, they can get a carabiner and pull you out. Make sure the airbag's hot. This one's pretty good, probably could use a bit more air. This one's flat, so you want to flow that out using the nozzle here. Making sure all the screws are safe. Make sure there's no holes or anything in the kayak. Making sure the hull of it, the cockpit, sorry, is secure. Then you want to flip it over. Make sure there's no holes. There's obviously going to be scratches. It is frequently used. Make sure there's no holes so that water doesn't leak into the kayak.